Hi there, I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get right into it. We have an old Dell laptop and the cooling fan isn't working. The owner plans to buy a cooling fan for it, but before that, let's see what's wrong. Yep, that's it. I don't hear any fan and the laptop is heating like hell. If the fan is not working, it might still work, but eventually it will catch up to you. Turn it around, unplug the battery, unscrew, open it up. We can definitely see the laptop is kind of dusty. Let's check the cooling fan. Oops, the connector is loose and the fan is working now. Since we have opened it, let's just clean the heatsink and apply thermal paste on it. Unscrew, remove the heatsink. Now we are gonna clean up all that old paste. Put on some new thermal paste, spread it around, put the heatsink back on. Put everything back. Check the fan one more time before we put the back cover on. Turn it on. Now let's see if the laptop is still alive. Load up the laptop. I can hear the fan is kicking on and we are good to go. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like this video if you like it. I'm your host Faisal. Catch you in next one.